So we made it to the new shop that we're going to be working at for a little while, and this does have a frame machine, a frame rack, so we will be working on this car really soon. Now, we did just basically hot shot this thing from Louisiana with our new plates, and we are going to be doing the frame. Like I said, we're going to be doing several stuff on this first lift, and then eventually we'll be getting it on that lift soon. Pretty excited to be able to get underneath the car and actually work on it. We are going to have to remove the intake manifold and the exhaust so we can actually put a heater wrap around the exhaust. There will be some battery and electrical updates coming soon, and we're still working on a little bit smaller aluminum pipe for that right here, just so we're not stressing out that silicone. And we do have a little bit more stuff coming in the mail for plugging up the firewall. If you might notice, the wiper is not there anymore, the wiper motor. I did put this mesh underneath and it worked out great already, catching some stuff. What we're going to be doing is putting in the Honda wiper modification and doing all that stuff. And here's a little bit of the wiring, so there will be an alternator upgrade as well pretty soon. This thing is going to be doing pretty good, especially with a rack to use and actually utilize a good leverage and getting underneath the car, making sure that we're all good to go. I'm excited to be working here, and we'll see what we do.